Hey there, leaders of our communities. It's time to unite for our future generations. As new mentors, we carry the torch of responsibility to bring our communities together and ensure a brighter tomorrow. Unity is the call of the hour. Let's gather and share our vision, pool our resources, and work collectively. By joining hands, we can tackle the biggest challenges and create sustainable progress. It's our duty to leave a legacy of strength and prosperity for our children. United, we have the power to shape an incredible future. So, let's stand together and make a pledge for solidarity. Inshallah, with combined efforts, nothing is out of reach. Are you with us? Together, for a triumphant tomorrow.